Good day, I'm Steve Chandler, Dealer Principal of the Motorlane Group. We've been operating here in East London and surrounds for almost 50 years now. We specialize in good quality pre-owned vehicles. That's our expertise. But we also have the Mahindra range of new vehicles. And today we're going to give you a little review and a preview on the Mahindra vehicles that we have for sale. Starting with a KU V100, excellent value for money vehicle, starting at 152,000 Rand, going all the way up to our XUV 500 W10 automatic for 439,000 Rand. Excellent range of vehicles that we have with Mahindra. We have all the way from passenger vehicles to our rugged and reliable Mahindra Scorpio pickup buckies that everybody knows. We also have the Bolero range of buckies, which you'll see all over town. We've had the Mahindra brand for about 14 years here in East London, and we are consistently in the top 10 selling dealers in the country. We've also achieved Dealer of the Year previously, and every year win various awards for retail sales, service, etc., etc. We are currently situated between 43 and 45 Cambridge Street, so please pop in, come and see our salesmen, come and test drive the cars. We follow all protocols in terms of COVID-19. I have my mask in my hand. We all wear that. We've got sanitizing stations at all of our entrances, so please feel safe. We are certainly abiding by the law, so come and visit our guys, come to the showroom, and please come and test drive one of our amazing Mahindras. Thank you.